installed on this job a Doorking 1801-080. It provides cellular phone line. We also enclosed this entry with this pedestrian door. We're using a Doorking 1812 Access Plus. Free exit. One pedestrian door is held with the cane bolt. The other one opens out, closes with a can't slam hydraulic door closer. We're using a Doorking 1812 Access Plus. We made a mail slot for them. Beautiful design chose by customer for paneling. We also did the handrails on the side to match existing on top. Fabricated and installed by DS Gates. Thanks for watching. Watch my other videos at www.dsgates.com.